Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur effect on Capcut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Capcut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the video effect. And at the menu, you can click on the basic. And after this, you can swipe down until you can see a motion blur effect. This is the motion blur effect, so you just click on it. And after this, you can click a check icon in here. And now you can adjust the effect, so you just click on the adjust at the bottom. And in here, you can adjust for the horizontal shift, and then for the intensity. And now you can click check icon in here. And then now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add motion blur effect on Capcut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.